Today, we're diving into a detailed review of PDF Converter, a popular online tool designed to make document conversion fast and efficient. If you often find yourself dealing with documents that need to be converted from one format to another, you know this trouble. PDF Converter promises to simplify that process with a user-friendly interface and powerful conversion capabilities. Once you land on the homepage, you're greeted with a clean design and clear options for uploading files. It supports various formats, including PDF to Word, Excel, JPG, and even text extraction. This variety makes it versatile for users needing different formats for work, school, or personal use. The upload process is straightforward. You can simply drag and drop your files or select them manually from your device. The speed of conversion is impressive, but the quality can vary depending on the complexity of the document. For simple files, like text-based PDFs, the conversion is almost flawless. However, for heavily formatted documents, especially those with complex tables or images, some formatting issues can occur. That's a common problem with most converters, but it's worth mentioning if you're expecting perfect conversions every time. Another feature worth highlighting is its ability to convert scanned documents. Not every converter handles OCR well, but PDF Converter does a decent job here. It's not perfect, but it's definitely a helpful feature if you're working with scanned files often. Now, let's address the user experience. The interface is smooth and intuitive, even for those who aren't particularly tech-savvy. The website is responsive, and the conversion process doesn't require you to navigate through endless menus. However, one drawback is that some of the advanced features are locked behind a paywall, which can be frustrating if you're looking for a completely free experience. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. DocuClipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. PDF Converter also claims to provide high-quality conversions, while ensuring the privacy of your documents. They state that files are deleted from their servers after processing, which is crucial for users dealing with sensitive data. From my experience, the site does a decent job of maintaining privacy, but it's always good to double-check before uploading confidential documents. Overall, PDF Converter is a solid tool for most document conversion needs. It's fast, easy to use, and offers a wide range of conversion options. However, the occasional formatting issues and lock premium features are worth keeping in mind. If you need basic conversions, it's a reliable option. But for more advanced features, you might have to consider upgrading to the paid version. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and helpful tools.